Hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. This is day 3 of Goa series, South Goa with Chef Nags. So we are now headed towards the gym. Okay, हमारे property में gym नहीं है. We are actually going out. Let's see if we can find a place where we can work out because we don't have shoes, right? We don't have gym shoes. So if somebody or socks, right? We're just going showing up कि भाई एक डे पास दे दो प्लीज़, मैं ओके मोहित हूँ, मेरे को वर्कआउट करने दो, तुम मुझे वर्कआउट करने दोगे, मैं तुम्हें पब्लिसिटी दूंगा. सम शिट लाइक दैट वी हैव टू पुल, राइट. सो विल गो वर्कआउट, डेडलिफ्ट करेंगे बिकॉज आज संडे है. So guys, this is the gym that we're going to be working out in. Very rustic, very old school. We're going to be doing some biceps, triceps, deadlifts and chest press. काफ़ी सिंपल होने वाला है. आपको ये मेरे संडे ब्लॉग पे दिख जाएगा. I might not show the workout because we are shooting in vertical footage. But yeah, per day 200 rupees for this gym. इसका मेरा दोनों मिला के 400 रुपये. It got the job done, right? We are happy that we found something. चलो यार, now time to go eat, I suppose. Eat or what? Pool. Hungry or what?
Are you hungry?
I'm not particularly hungry, but
I will put you some food.
chalo, we'll go eat then. Direct eat? Chalo. So guys, we're now going for lunch. We're going back to Travelers Inn because it's a great place, lovely vibes, and plus she hasn't seen it during the lunchtime. So we're going there. The drive is beautiful. We're just imagining what this place would look like during monsoon because abhi dhoop mein it's so beautiful. Monsoon time, the greenery, the rice paddies are going to be lush. Okay, so maybe I might come here for monsoon again. But do you think I'll come with her? That's the real question. Do you think I'll come with you?
Yeah.
You'll be free.
Yeah.
Balls also.
Right?
You'll have work, no boss. She's a corporate girl, guys. Alright, y'all, here we are at Travelers Inn and the vibes are so peaceful. Okay? This is a place to come for lunch, correct?
It smells like protein powder to me now.
Her lip balm smells like protein powder. Guys, that is my influence, okay? Everything in and around me becomes protein, okay? That's the power of Okimo. Look at those gains, bro. Look at that bicep. Look at this fucking jacked, bro. I'm fucking jacked. I'm so weird, guys. Where are you jacked? This is life, guys. Watermelon juice. Cheers. Watermelon juice, South Goa. No worries, Hakuna Matata.
You know the meaning of Hakuna Matata?
Hakuna Matata means no worries only, right?
No worries, no worries, be happy.
No worries, be happy. Hakuna Matata. But bro, this is life, huh? Jacked, watermelon juice.
Questionable.
What? You're questioning the fact that I'm jacked. I have bicep veins popping like this is the map of South Goa, okay? Yeah, see there, Barka beach is there only. So I'm jacked, bro. Okay, I'm not that jacked also, but
Nazar they'll put.
in 2 years from now I will be, 2 years.
Oh, 2026, guys. 2026.
2027 to pakka.
Like that to reach 2030.
2027 to pakka.
By 2030?
By 2030 I will hold more fat, okay? I will not stay this lean.
Why? Oh, you don't.
By then I will by then I will have made enough money through content creation. I would not need, my physique will not be my only source of revenue. By then we will see something else. And I will still lift seriously, but I will probably also have my fun with food, okay? Maintaining this level of leanness is not easy. It requires constant sacrifices, okay? I'm just telling you guys, anybody who maintains like single digit body fat, respect to them. I'm nowhere close to single digit, but even maintaining this, I have to be conscious of what I eat. Guys, our food is here. White rice, fish curry, mussels deep fry and chicken tikka. Proper protein and taste. Let's eat. Okay, I served some white rice. Now I'll serve some fish curry. You want fish?
No.
You don't want fish?
No, I want little.
What is little? You take one piece. Okay, and now I serve fish curry for myself. Me, myself and I love myself, so I get the full fish. Right, so I've got enough fish curry. Now I put one mussels in your plate, two mussels in your plate, three mussels in my plate, four mussels in my plate, and some chicken tikka.
Sir doesn't know how to count only.
It's,
Math left the chat.
You don't know the joke. This is a joke from a Bollywood movie. एक तेरा, दो मेरा, दो तेरा, तीन मेरा. It's like that. It's a joke. You don't know. It's, I think Akshay Kumar did that, if I'm not mistaken. Bro, Akshay Kumar used to make really good comedies, and then apparently his wife told, if you don't stop doing these, I'll fucking leave you. And then he started making Deshbhakt stories. So guys, we finished lunch at Travelers Inn and now we're at Benno's. This is the dessert that I came here for. It's called Crimson Earth. ये जो आप देख रहे हो मिट्टी जैसा, that is the concept of धरती. ये आपकी coconut ice cream हो गई. ये beetroot है. And I've got more coconut ice cream. We just realized that Benno's has this backyard seating as well. And this is a cat that I know. ठीक है? I've played with this cat the last time I came here. She's just chilling.
It's a sheep.
It's all cats are a she for me. Okay, and last time I came, this cat wouldn't leave me. Guys, हम लोग इतने भुक्कड़ हैं that we got more food. This is a Nutella-filled French toast. Let's eat. One French toast up an hour. As long as it tastes good, bro. I like it. This for breakfast would be amazing. So guys, after Benno's, we regretted getting that French toast. Not because it was bad, okay, but because we had already eaten enough. ये वही बात हो गई कि अपन पहले जब नॉर्थ गोवा जाया करते थे, हर बार ओवर ईटिंग करता था मैं. I planned on not to overeat this time, but I guess if your name is OK Mohit, your adjective is overeater OK Mohit, right? So anyways, to burn some calories off, we're going to the beach. We're gonna run by the beach. We look decent, right? Decent is an understatement. I think we look great.
Oh, I was like,
We always look great. I mean, she needs a little bit of makeup.
I don't need any makeup, guys. I have no makeup on my face.
Yeah, she
tell
does.
them.
You could use some makeup though. It's a joke. It's a joke, guys. She's naturally very pretty. She has no makeup on. She looks good without it itself. I could use some weight loss, to be honest. Right?
That's a standard okay one.
Standard okay Mohit, right? You could always be thinner, look better. Here we are, guys. Another day, another sunset. How are you feeling about it? Golden hour.
Yeah. It doesn't feel like...
It doesn't feel like sunset today, no? It's very quiet today. See, today crowd is also lesser. Yeah, nobody is doing parasailing or bullshit.
Yeah, that's true. Oh my God.
Fucking...
That's what annoyed you so much, no?
Yeah, it's so annoying because I come to South Goa for zero commercial feel.
There are people though.
Yeah, I mean, not as many as yesterday. Right? Pretty chill today. Srinivasa Govinda. I'll wear my sunglasses. I'm not going too deep. Time to get into the water, guys. I don't know what's happening, but it's not as empty as when it was in November. I think season hai isliye wajah se. I mean, I came November end mein. That is also technically season time, but it was relatively empty back then. It's okay. We work with what we have, right? Not much choice when you come in Jan and all.
You went in December last time.
I came in November ending, boss.
Right?
Yeah. Only. So guys, शाम को बीच में पूरा नाक के अंदर पानी चला गया and I caught a cold. Look at my face. It was so bad that I had to take on cetirizine. I never take medicines, okay? This time I had to take. But anyways, for dinner we are back to cavity now. We're like, last meal in Goa has to be the best meal we've ever eaten. So we are back to cavity now to try something else this time around. Guys, I'm still sick, but at least our food is here. Guys, because I have a cold, I got some chicken clear soup. Excited for the soup? Drink and show. It's going to be hot, be careful.
We can do that, or else we can go for Ika. There's and also both. Four pieces will be there.
Guys, this is the dish we've come back here for, right? This melts in your mouth. It's the best thing ever. So guys, this is a Ross omelette, alright? So this is Goa's most popular street food. Basically a bun with omelette inside and a chicken type curry. They've also given you a vegetable soup, a broth with it basically. Looks damn cute, right? You try the soup? How is it? Vegetable broth. Wow. Really nice. Cheers, baby. Cheers. Shefali, are you excited for your sea bass? Excited? You're not hungry though. Guys, they made a smiley face.
My
Eat-
face.
Eat it and see. I'm always frowning because there's a smiley face there. What do you think this is?
Fish skin.
Fish skin though. Okay, unwrap this. Show the camera. You want me to do it? Okay, she did it. Usually this is my job, guys. I usually feed her. Whoa. I don't think you'll like it. This is not the kind of preparation you like, right? Dessert time, boys. Got a cheesecake here.
Big cheesecake.
Is it big? No?
It is big.
No.
It's not big.
It's very rich.
Yummy though. I don't have complaints.
Did it? Like, I think I'm too stuffed. The cream on top also very rich. Alright guys, so that was dinner. Tomorrow we will be going back to Bangalore. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if these vlogs will go live, but if they do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you, Tata. Bye bye.